Welcome to today's show titled Beyond the Century Mark, Centenarians and the Vegan Pathway to Ageless Living. Imagine achieving the remarkable milestone of 100 years, a centenarian, a testament to human longevity and resilience. Now, picture surpassing even that, living to see 110 years and beyond, earning the esteemed title of a super centenarian. While genetics undoubtedly play a pivotal role in such exceptional longevity, emerging research and inspiring real-life stories suggest that lifestyle choices, particularly diet, are equally influential. At the heart of this revelation lies a powerful truth. Adopting a whole food vegan diet significantly contributes to the exceptional health and extended lifespan observed in many centenarians and super centenarians worldwide. One compelling example of how a whole food vegan diet promotes longevity is evident in the blue zones, regions around the world known for having exceptionally high numbers of centenarians and super centenarians. These populations, including the Okinawans in Japan, the Nicoyans in Costa Rica, and the Sardinians in Italy, exemplify lifestyles centered around diets rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes, with minimal to no consumption of animal people products. For instance, Okinawans consume a diet low in calories but high in nutrients, including locally grown vegetables like sweet potatoes and bitter melon. The Nicoya Peninsula in Costa Rica has some of the world's lowest rates of middle-aged mortality and one of the highest concentration of centenarians. This is attributed not only to their diet that is heavy on beans, squash, and corn, but also to their active lifestyle, strong community ties, and a sense of purpose in life. These factors collectively support physical health, mental well-being, and longevity, providing a compelling model for adopting dietary and lifestyle practices that enhance quality of life into advanced age. Mike Fremont, vegan, who celebrated his 100th birthday in 2022 with a spirited run through his Vero Beach neighborhood in Florida, USA, is a shining example of vitality and resilience. His health journey highlights the benefits of a vegan diet. After being diagnosed with cancer at the age of 69, Mr. Fremont decided to adopt a whole food vegan diet 2 years before undergoing life-saving surgery. Fortunately, no metastases were found during the procedure. Mr. Fremont believes his dietary change was transformative and crucial to his recovery. He states, "No question in my mind. Absolutely, it is diet that has determined my existence, my continued existence, and my beautiful health." Growing scientific evidence supports the preventive effects of such a diet on cancer, and Mr. Fremont's own experience strongly demonstrates its benefits. He's been an avid runner since the 1950s, and in his later years has set multiple single-year age group world records in marathons, half marathons, and mile races. Impressively, he continued to break records well into his 90s. Mr. Fremont's perspective on life in his 100s is truly inspiring. He says, "These, believe it or not, are the very best years of my life." It's a powerful message that highlights how lifestyle choices like a vegan diet can boost longevity and well-being. Moreover, scientific research supports the idea that a whole food vegan diet can significantly contribute to long life. Studies have shown that vegan plant-based diets are associated with lower rates of cardiovascular disease, the leading cause of death globally. For example, research published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that those with the highest intake of healthy, non-animal people-based foods had a 16% lower risk of cardiovascular disease and a 32% lower risk of dying from cardiovascular disease compared to those who incorporated higher levels of animal people meat and dairy in their diet. This translates to better heart health due to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Furthermore, the antioxidants and phytochemicals in non-animal people-based foods have anti-inflammatory and protective effects on your cells, which can slow down aging and lower the risk of age-related diseases. Building on this, diets centered around whole food vegan principles have been extensively studied for their prevention of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. The key components of these diets, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes, are rich sources of essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytochemicals. These nutrients play fundamental roles in maintaining overall health and reducing disease risk through several mechanisms. The high fiber content in a vegan diet plays a crucial role in regulating blood cholesterol levels and improving gut health. Soluble fiber, found in foods like oats, legumes, and fruits, helps lower low-density lipoprotein or LDL or bad cholesterol, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and coronary artery disease. Additionally, dietary fiber promotes satiety and helps control blood sugar levels, helping prevention and management of type 2 diabetes. Fiber-rich diets also support a healthy gut microbiome by fostering the growth of beneficial bacteria, which enhance immune function and reduce inflammation. This, in turn, lessens the risk of chronic inflammatory conditions associated with diseases such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of vegan foods help protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are underlying factors in the development of chronic diseases including cancer. For instance, colorful fruits and vegetables like berries, leafy greens, and tomatoes are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, and phytochemicals like flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative damage to cells, potentially lowering the risk of cancers by keeping mutations and abnormal cell growth at bay. Unlike animal people products, vegan foods are naturally low in saturated fats and completely free of cholesterol. High levels of saturated fats can increase LDL cholesterol, raising the risk of cardiovascular diseases. On the other hand, non-animal people-based fats found in foods like nuts, seeds, and avocados are mostly unsaturated. These healthy fats not only taste great but also improve blood lipid profiles, reducing the chances of heart disease. A whole food vegan diet boosts physical health and enhances mental and emotional wellness, which further supports longevity. Nutrients in nuts and seeds, like omega-3 fatty acids from flax seeds and walnuts, improve cognitive function and protect against diseases like Alzheimer's. The American nonprofit health advocacy organization, the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, a Shining World Compassion Award laureate, highlighted in an online article research that looked at the impact of diet on emotional well-being and productivity at 10 corporate sites of a major US insurance company found that a plant-based dietary intervention led to significantly reduced feelings of depression, anxiety, and fatigue. The intervention group who followed a vegan diet also reported significant gains in emotional well-being and in daily functioning due to physical health and general health compared to the control group. While adopting a vegan diet brings many health benefits, it's important to watch out for added sugars. Sugars found in processed foods and sugary drinks can lead to health problems, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease, which not only shorten our lives but also affect our quality of life. Conversely, cutting down on added sugars and choosing natural sugars from fruits and vegetables stabilizes blood sugar levels, reduces inflammation, and supports overall health. By being mindful of sugar intake, we can boost our well-being and enjoy a longer, healthier life. Cutting out animal people meat is crucial for a long and healthy life. Consumption of animal people meat can increase the risk of heart disease, certain cancers, and other chronic illnesses because of their high saturated fat and cholesterol content. Processed animal people meats are especially risky due to harmful preservatives like sodium nitrite and other additives. On the other hand, vegan proteins from legumes, nuts, and seeds offer essential nutrients without these dangers and can contribute to greater longevity and improve overall health. And let's not forget about the joy of exercising. Staying active is a key ingredient in the recipe for a long and happy life. It's like a little gift we give to our hearts, muscles, and minds, helping everything work better. When we move our bodies, we not only keep our weight in check, but we also lower the risk of serious illnesses like diabetes and heart disease. Look at the Centenarian and Blue Zone communities. These are places where being active is a natural part of everyday life, whether they're gardening, walking, or doing other routine tasks. When we pair a vegan diet with regular exercise, it's like a perfect harmony that enhances our health, keeping us lively and strong as we age gracefully. As we journey towards our own century mark, let us be inspired by the centenarians who have shown us that a vibrant, fulfilling life is possible through mindful choices. Embracing a vegan diet and staying active can open the door to not just a longer life, but a richer, more joyful one. Here's to living each day with vitality, compassion, and a heart full of hope for the future.
Vegan side effect: so much money saved.
Exquisite viewers, it has been a pleasure to have you with us for Beyond the Century Mark, Centenarians and the Vegan Pathway to Ageless Living.